And now onto the corridors of justice. 3 Kamiti Maximum Prison wardens have been sentenced by the Anti-Terrorism Court in Kahawa for aiding the escape of terrorism convicts, neglecting their duties and supporting a terrorist group, with sentences ranging from 6 months to 3 years of fines. The ruling was delivered virtually by Senior Principal Magistrate Baoz, Ombewa.
Security prison have been sentenced over the November 2021 escape of terrorism convicts. Robert Kipkirui and Kaikai Talengo Moses were each sentenced to 6 months in prison or a fine of 100,000 Kenya shillings for neglect of duty. Willie Wambua received 1 year in prison or a fine of 200,000 Kenya shillings for aiding prisoners to escape, and an additional 2 years in prison or a fine of 800,000 Kenya shillings for organizing a meeting in support of a terrorist group. The convicts, Musharraf Abdallah, Alex Shikanda, Mohamed Ali Abikar, and Joseph Juma Odhiambo, were serving sentences for terrorism-related offences. Investigations revealed that the wardens had facilitated the escape through negligence and coordination. Elsewhere, 3 suspects, 2 Uganda national and 1 Kenyan, were arraigned at the Milimani law courts over alleged theft and handling of stolen mobile phones valued over 47,000 Kenya shillings, with the offences said to have occurred in Dagoretti and Kitengela. The prosecution urged the court to impose strict bond terms, citing flight risk, as Senior Principal Magistrate Geoffrey Onsarigo ordered the accused to remain in custody pending a probation report, with the matter set for mention on January 28, 2026.
That's when I'll consider your issue on bond. Since I can see, even from the charge sheet, you're Ugandans, you come back on 28th.
Finally, Kevin Kamau Kiara was today arraigned before the courts and pleaded not guilty to 13 charges of fraud and money laundering after the prosecution alleged that between September 2023 and June 2024, he obtained more than 3.8 million Kenya shillings from Gloria Mwende Richard by falsely claiming he could import items including a Toyota Harrier, a dental chair, and a fridge. The state told the court that the accused allegedly laundered the funds through his DTB bank account and urged the court to impose strict bond terms due to the seriousness of the charges. The court released him on a bond of 3 million Kenya shillings with 1 surety of a similar amount, on an alternative cash bail of 1 million Kenya shillings with 1 contact person. The case is set for mention on February 9th, 2026.
This is hereby granted bond of Kenya shillings 3 million plus 1 surety of a similar amount, alternative cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million plus 2 contact persons. The matter will be mentioned on 9th of February.